Jiangsu Shihui Transmission Technology Company Limited is located in Changzhou, a beautiful water town in Jiangnan, China. We specialize in manufacturing various types of stainless steel, alloy steel, carbon steel, and aluminum copper alloy castings with an annual output of over 300 tons. Our main products include stainless steel linear bearings, stainless steel outer spherical bearing housing, engineering plastic bearing housing, zinc alloy bearing housing, punch bearing housing, cast iron bearing housing, and various stainless steel castings. The company covers an area of 0.68 hectares and currently has more than 100 high-quality employees. Our company has strong technical strength and complete processes. Shihui products are strictly designed, produced, and sold in accordance with the GB T9001-2000 ISO 9001-2000 International Quality Management System, and product quality has been strictly managed and controlled. We welcome inquiries from new and old customers.